Welcome to Review Lab. The best siding tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor tackling exterior home improvement projects, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a siding tool truly stand out from the crowd, ensuring your next siding installation or repair job is not only efficient but also results in a beautifully finished and long-lasting exterior for your home. Number 5. GARTOL Miter Shears. Introducing the GARTOL Miter Shears, your go-to tool for fast, clean cuts. It's perfect for various home improvement projects, handling materials like PVC, trim, and softwoods with ease. Achieve precise miter joints effortlessly with its adjustable fence, offering angles from 45 to 135 degrees. Say goodbye to bulky saws and hello to perfect angles every time. Crafted with a premium SK5 high-carbon steel blade, this tool ensures sharpness and durability. Plus, we've included spare blades so you're always prepared for your next project. Experience comfortable use with its ergonomic, non-slip handles. For easier cutting and reduced fatigue, position your material close to the blade's pivot point. This versatile shear is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and home improvement tasks. It's designed for cutting PVC trunking, quarter round, chamfer, and softwoods up to 0.4 inches thick. This product comes with a satisfaction guarantee and includes 2 extra spare blades. It's perfect for various materials, but please note it's not suitable for metal or stainless steel. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility with its 45 to 135 degree adjustable angle, making it perfect for precise miter cuts. It comes with premium SK5 steel blades and even includes spares. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking for a precise way to cut trim and molding without a bulky saw, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The siding tool is a game changer for installing vinyl siding, making the process faster and more efficient. Its innovative design allows for precise cuts and clean edges, ensuring a professional finish every time. The tool's durable construction and ergonomic grip provide comfort and reliability during extended use. Number 4. PacTool Gecko Gauge Siding Tool 2PK. Tired of struggling with siding installation? This tool is designed for solo projects, gauging and supporting the next course for nailing. Save time and achieve greater accuracy with this innovative solution. Get your shingle project started with our smart tools. They hold boards at the correct height, assisting with the installation of 3 8-inch thick siding. Experience less fatigue and increased productivity. Easily adjust the gauges in 1 4-inch increments for reveal from 4 to 8 inches. The patented mechanism provides superior holding power for long siding lengths, ensuring equal spacing every time. This set is safe for use on all types of siding products. Made from durable plastic with a rubber grip, it ensures the front face of your siding remains scratch-free. Make any siding job ideal for one-person installation. Achieve more accuracy and complete your project 50% faster than traditional methods. What we like. This tool is designed for efficient, one-person siding installation, holding boards at the correct height for nailing. It offers adjustable increments for different siding reveals and features a patented friction cam mechanism for superior holding power. If you're looking to speed up your siding projects and reduce fatigue, especially when working alone, this gauge block set is a game changer. What people say. This siding tool is a game changer for installing vinyl siding. It makes the process so much faster and easier, especially when working alone. The design of this tool is very ergonomic and comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. It also feels very durable and well made. I was impressed by how accurately this tool cuts siding. It provides clean, straight cuts every time, which really improves the overall look of the finished project. Number 3. IMPRESA Vinyl Siding Removal Tool Kit, 2-pack. Introducing the IMPRESA Vinyl Siding Removal Tool Kit, your ultimate solution for both installing and removing vinyl siding. Its durable steel construction is built to last, handling all your siding needs with ease. With its 7-inch handle, this tool provides exceptional leverage and reach, making challenging siding repairs more efficient. Experience precision and ease with every use. Streamline your home maintenance with this versatile repair kit. It's perfect for quick, damage-free siding removal, boosting productivity while protecting siding integrity. Crafted from high-strength steel, these removal tools are designed for repeated use. Their sturdy build ensures reliability for various projects, making them a dependable choice. This kit includes 2 tools, ideal for working with a partner. The stylish blue design not only looks good but also ensures they are easily visible during your tasks. What we like. This kit provides a robust and efficient solution for vinyl siding removal, featuring a durable steel construction and an enhanced leverage design for challenging repairs. It comes as a convenient 2-piece set, perfect for collaborative tasks. If you need to quickly and safely remove or repair vinyl siding without causing damage, this toolkit is ideal for maintaining siding integrity. What people say. The siding tool is a great addition to my toolbox. It makes cutting siding so much easier and faster. I love how versatile this siding tool is. It can handle different types of siding materials with ease. The build quality of the siding tool is excellent. It feels sturdy and durable, and I can tell it will last for a long time. Number 2. NACETURE Vinyl Siding Removal Tool. This heavy-duty tool is built with durable steel that won't bend or break. It's designed to last for years, making siding repairs a breeze. Save time and money with this efficient tool. It cleanly removes vinyl siding by easily getting under the edges of the pieces. Featuring an extra-long handle with reinforced bending strength, it provides excellent reach and leverage. This makes the job require minimal effort. With a smooth motion and a non-slip textured grip, it's comfortable to hold. This makes it a must-have for removing or replacing damaged siding. Forget using makeshift tools. Simply tuck and slide this tool behind the siding, and its curved tip securely grips the lip for quick removal, protecting your hands. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed for ease of use. It helps you work smarter and be more productive on your siding projects. What we like. This heavy-duty siding removal tool is built to last with its durable steel construction and an extra-long handle for enhanced reach and leverage. It offers a comfortable, non-slip grip for ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient tool to make vinyl siding repairs or replacements a snap, this is a must-have for both professionals and DIYers. What people say. The siding tool is a great addition to my toolbox, making the siding installation process much smoother and faster. I was impressed by the durability of the siding tool. It feels very sturdy and well-made, capable of handling tough jobs. The ergonomic design of the siding tool ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Number 1. TonGass 7-inch Vinyl Siding Removal Tool. Introducing the ultimate tool for your vinyl siding needs. It's designed for both installation and removal, ensuring your siding and walls remain in perfect condition. Crafted from a single 7-inch piece of high-strength steel, this tool is virtually indestructible. Its robust construction guarantees it will be a reliable part of your toolkit for years to come. Experience superior handling with its extra-long, ergonomic handle. It provides better leverage and reach, while the non-slip red coating ensures a comfortable and visible grip. Say goodbye to damaged siding. This specialized tool is engineered to perform the job cleanly and efficiently, eliminating the need for any other makeshift tools. Attach, remove, or repair vinyl siding in a single, swift motion. It guarantees a damage-free experience for both the siding and the underlying wall. Stop using outdated methods. This is the only tool you need for a perfect vinyl siding installation and removal process, saving you time and effort. What we like. This tool is designed for both installing and removing vinyl siding while ensuring the siding and wall remain in pristine condition. Its one-piece steel construction and extra-long, ergonomic handle provide excellent leverage and ease of handling. If you want a virtually indestructible tool that guarantees quick and easy installation or removal without damage, this is the ultimate vinyl siding zip tool for you. What people say. The siding tool is very easy to use and makes the installation process much faster. This siding tool has a durable construction and feels very sturdy in hand. The adjustable feature on this siding tool allows for precise cuts on different types of siding materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.